of your mercies, O Lord.
I will sing forever of your mercies, O Lord.
I will sing forever of your mercies, O Lord. Through all ages, my mouth will proclaim your fidelity. I have declared your mercy is established forever. Your fidelity stands firm as the heavens.
I will sing forever of your mercies, O Lord.
Oh, bless the people who know your praise, who walk, O Lord, in the light of your face, who find their joy every day in your name, who make your justice their joyful acclaim.
I will sing forever of your mercies, O Lord.
For you are the glory of their strength. By your favor it is that our might is exalted. Behold, the Lord is our shield. He is the Holy One of Israel, our King.
I will sing